Everybody will check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now, the people must say how dear members of Labour Party, a 5-time Olympian who has never won a gold medal, bring up the Olympics. When Usain Bolt, who win no much gold medal at the Olympics and put Jamaica on the map for athletics, losing money at SSL and the government can't do nothing. The people will cost the government about it. I make you hear what they did say. And then we'll continue reasoning. Look and listen.
And so labor rights, I'm a 5-time Olympian. And what you say? They always finish my race. Always finish my race. But me know somebody, I'm a 5-time Olympian that finish your race. But there's somebody else who's a 5-time something and can't win nothing. Cannot win nothing. Me go left forward, pull up on the sideline.
The people must say the audacity of the government, knowing very well that Usain Bolt money has been missing for how long now, and they have been unable to do anything about it, anything at all. Give any news, any update. Recently we hear them say that they had hired an international forensics team to check out what did actually happen with SSL. The thing is though, while them say them do it, and we not dispute it, we don't know. We see information found out, and them say it was from an international entity. I guess the government is saying they are the ones who hired this entity. But anyway, or this company to do the investigation. But the people are saying, while that is all good and well, the company SSL is no longer a company. Nobody no work there. We say them they own the building no more. There's nothing. And all the important people gone. Where them gone, we don't know. Them gone wherever the rich go, when they go where they go. But one person in custody. The government is bold that Bolt should feel some sense of justice, because this person who confessed to taking other people's money, but not fee money. Everybody else's money except fee money she take. That's what she say. Him for feel justice knowing that that person is behind the bars. El Bolta say him not feel the justice that the government is speaking of. And some people also agree with Bolt. As a matter of fact, a large majority, even supporters of the government, believe so. You know? Bolt should they get back in money in a long time. You have some people where say this has now become political. So it's almost a situation like this where you have people now who feel like say, if them even agree with Bolt and say Bolt to get back in money, you have people within the party who might say, oh, yeah, support the opposition. Or we already hear members of the government that say anybody who feel like say them go left from Freedom Party and go support the opposition. They must say ambition they have. Let me come here.
Anybody that leave this party and go somewhere else is ambition they don't have. How can you leave? How can you leave a party that is responsible? All the major changes and achievements in this country since independence has been done by the government of a Jamaica Labour Party. But as the late Matt Monroe would say in music, walk away, please go. You don't belong here.
What I find unfortunate as well about the entire narrative is the move by the PNP to bring the name of the iconic Usain Bolt onto the political platform in a bid to mislead Jamaica and the icon into not recalling public record, which indicate that the majority of his principal investment, 86% of it, was fleeced when they were in office and at a time when they were made aware of issues at SSL but did not take any decisive action to safeguard the Jamaican investor.
That's what them say. So now you already have some people know saying, even if them in support of Bolt, them not gonna sit down. At least until after the election. Not right now. And that even reaches some supporters. I know some supporters, while them know say and agree say Bolt to get back in money, because their position now is also talking about it. They must say reach a political point. They must say, oh, or if the government to give back Bolt money, because they must say that would be taxpayer money being given back to Bolt, because the government have no money except the money where them borrow and where them collect from taxpayers. Which is true. The money where them give back Bolt, the money where them borrow from the IMF, borrow from wherever them borrow money from, are taxpayers' money. And the people them now want it have a forward out of the money where them are used for road and all different type of things for pay back Bolt. So now it reached a point there where strategically those who no want this for talk about no more have said that it is political. Don't talk about it no more. Because our taxpayer money go pay back. Well, them already I say Bolt never go to the government and ask the government when they did that investing money. Bolt is saying don't be a syndicate. And it's all like Bolt feel like them a group up against him. He already saying feel like him is not in the circle. Or he wasn't in the circle. And truth be told, I've always seen it in movies and documentaries. Oftentimes those who are from a poor background who become wealthy either through sports, entertainment or acting, depending upon who them become friends with, sometimes they are not accepted by the bourgeois, as well them that say in Creole places, the born rich, the ones where yes they make them own millions too, but they made already born rich. Them father was already some big CEO, some big rich people from they don't rich from days where we don't even know them people are rich again. We just always born conscious of them people are rich. Those people are sometime, and some of them not so much accepting of people who become rich recently. Them call them new money. But talk to me in the comment section, tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, suppose to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now, of course, until we reason again, my sentiments for you and for yours, I want to live, love, and prosper, and also I want to stay tuned until we reason again.